Hi everyone, and today we're going to do our last discussion. So to begin off with, let's talk a little about my perspective in analytics and how it's changed. I have used a lot of data previous through other classes that require you to gather data. However, due to this class, I was able to take a bigger step into learning more about analytics itself and the power of it. Like for example, when we were able to use the Google Merchandise Store as examples not only for our final projects but for some other assignments as well, you can see the capabilities of what Google Analytics itself can do, having an overview or specifically going to active users, lifetime value. You can go real time, even customization. There's so much that you can do with Google Analytics itself and gathering the data from this and analyzing it. So overall, my change on it was big, and I think it really helped me improve on how to really collect data and see what data is more important than other types of data to help improve for future things. Uh, I always like using Amazon as such. Definitely, they have a team of analytics behind their entire team because they need people to gather data. Because you can tell here, if you were to visit this probably 4 years ago, it would look completely different. Um, I wouldn't be really like friendly like this and all that, giving you suggestions and everything. It's just really nice. And just going on a little bit more, talking about the importance of uh, being analytic or in specific to Google Analytics, being able to pick up and learn a little bit about Google Analytics is really nice because you can see companies here. Obviously, Google uses it, but you can see here Harnham Creative Group, WordStream, Northwestern University. So many different types of companies are using Google Analytics, and to be able to get a hands-on feel of how to work Google Analytics is a nice head start. I think this is definitely gonna help me in my career because being an ICT major, we can go into a lot of different fields, and being an analyst would seem actually pretty fun for me. Just being able to collect the data and see it and see what can be improved on for future references. So this is just a nice website explaining a little bit more Google Analytics, top countries that are using it, and then just going through breaking it down a lot more. So overall, throughout the semester of this class, I really enjoyed it and learning more about analytics. Thank you for listening to me.